Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted your Smartsheet dashboards to pack more visual punch or help your viewers instantly spot key data, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through making dynamic, color-changing column charts in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take ordinary data and turn it into a vibrant, easy-to-read chart with individual colors for each column, perfect for making trends pop and grabbing your audience's attention. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure your data is set up in a way that Smartsheet's charts will read it correctly. Imagine you have your spreadsheet open, maybe you're tracking sales by region or progress for different projects, and you want each region or project to be represented by its own color on a column chart. This is really important because the way you organize your data determines how customizable your chart will be later on. Once your data is squared away, navigate over to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. At the top or side of your dashboard editor, click on the chart widget to start building your new visualization. You'll be prompted to add data here, where you connect the chart to your existing sheet or report. Go ahead and select the dataset you've prepared. Smartsheet will do a bit of the heavy lifting and auto-generate a default column chart for you. Now, here's a key observation. If you try clicking on one of the bars in your chart and then change its color, you'll likely notice, wait a second, every single bar changes to that color. It's not exactly what you want if you're hoping for each column to stand out on its own. This is a common first hiccup, so don't worry if it catches you off guard. So how do you get around that and add those individual colors? Here's the trick. You'll need to structure your data so that each series, basically each category or value you want to color separately, has its own column. Think of it like giving each bar a dedicated container so Smartsheet can treat them independently. For example, instead of having all your regions in one column, create a separate column for North, another for South, and so on, filling in values for each. It's a bit like setting up lanes for a race. Each runner or data series gets their own space. Once you've arranged the data this way, hop back into your dashboard and edit your chart widget. This time you'll add your data again, but make sure you're pulling in those newly separated columns. Now, when you click on one of the bars in the chart and change its color, you'll see only that bar update, not the whole set. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference visually. Go ahead and repeat this process for each of your other bars, clicking them one at a time and assigning your chosen colors. Keep in mind, depending on how many bars you have, this might take a few moments, but trust me, the end result is worth it. Your dashboard will look far more engaging and your viewers will be able to read it at a glance. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to highlight specific data points, like making a goal number pop in green while showing previous months in gray. And that's it, your chart is now dynamic and colorful, ready to make an impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have questions or if there's another Smartsheet tip you'd like to learn. Subscribe for more smart productivity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.